Chepra Valley, a curious alligator named Algae lay on the river bank, gazing up at the sky. The birds soared gracefully overhead, and Algae couldn't help but dream. Someday, I'm going to soar like the birds, he thought. To him, the idea of flying seemed like the ultimate freedom, a life far beyond the quiet river. Algae's determination was unwavering. One day, he declared aloud, "I will learn to fly." His words caught the attention of a colorful parrot named Polly and a few cheeky sparrows, who had been watching from the trees above. Polly squawked in disbelief, "Algae, you're an alligator. You can't fly." The sparrows giggled and added, "You'll be the first gator to flop in the sky." But Algae wasn't discouraged. He puffed out his chest and glared up at them, his green eyes full of resolve. "I'll show you," he declared, his voice firm. The birds exchanged a glance, their doubt evident, but Algae was already in motion. He spent the next few days gathering materials, branches, leaves, and vines, and worked tirelessly on his creation. The other animals of the valley watched with amusement as the alligator painstakingly constructed his glider. He hummed to himself as he worked, his vision clear in his mind. "This is it," he exclaimed, stepping back to admire his makeshift flying machine. "My ticket to the clouds." From their perch above, Polly and the sparrows couldn't help but mock him. "Dinner for the fish at this rate," Polly muttered, rolling her eyes. One of the sparrows raised a wing, as if making a toast. "Here's to the great alligator air show." Algae, oblivious to their sarcasm, stood tall, proudly patting the glider. He was ready. He could almost feel the wind beneath his wings, despite not having any. With one last deep breath, he climbed onto a small rock, gripping the glider tightly. "Time to take flight," he shouted, his voice filled with determination. He ran as fast as he could, pushing himself off the rock with all his might. For a moment, there was a flash of hope, a fleeting second when it seemed like maybe, just maybe, he could defy the laws of nature. But then, with all the grace of a clumsy boulder, Algae tumbled forward. The glider caught in the air for a moment before sending him hurtling straight into the river with a massive splash. The birds burst into raucous laughter. And splash. Polly cackled from above, clutching her sides. "That's how alligators swim." Sparrow X snorted between giggles. Algae emerged from the water, dripping wet but unfazed. He shook himself off, sending a spray of water into the air, and grinned broadly. "Okay, so maybe flying isn't my thing," he admitted, his voice cheerful despite the failure. The birds had stopped laughing now, and as they flew down to join him, they saw the glint of happiness in his eyes. Algae wasn't upset. If anything, he seemed more at peace than before. He paddled around in the river, enjoying the cool water on his skin, a wide smile on his face. "But I can still have fun," he said, his laughter echoing in the valley. The birds circled above him, chirping playfully. Polly, her feathers ruffled but still smiling, called down to him. "And we'll always be there to cheer you on, Algae," she called. As the sun began to set over Chepra Valley, casting a golden glow over the river, Algae and the birds sat together by the water. There were no more doubts or mockery, only the quiet sound of friendship. "Maybe it's not about flying," Algae mused, his eyes soft with contentment. "But enjoying the ride, together." Polly nodded, her wings folded comfortably by her side. "Exactly. Who needs to fly when you've got friends like us?" And so, Algae learned that while his dreams might not always turn out the way he expected, the joy of sharing them with friends was a reward all on its own. The end.